All right, well, thanks for coming out tonight for NDWI saturation number 62 as part of the nationwide MAD Saturation Saturday, where agencies throughout the country are going to be doing saturations, specifically targeting DWI drivers, impaired drivers, and enforcing those laws. The last couple of nights on saturations this week, you guys have done excellent. With a handful of you have gotten already 8 DWI arrests on those 2 nights, and so great job. Let's keep it up and continue to work hard tonight.
Basically what we're doing is conducting a saturation patrol looking for intoxicated drivers. The advantage that we have with the saturation patrol is we're able to adjust our tactics throughout the evening and also adjust personnel into areas of concern, as opposed to a checkpoint where we're set to one location and we're focused on that one location. We can't move once we're set up. So that's the advantage of having the saturation patrol, and it's very effective, like I said, to be able to move into areas of concern or areas that we have problems with driving while intoxicated. So basically there's several standardized tests. The first one is the HGN, which is a horizontal gaze nystagmus, and they're looking for certain clues with the tracking of their eyes and individuals that show signs of intoxication. It then moves into what's called a walk and turn, which is probably what most people have seen, walking in a straight line. Then there's a one-leg stand, and then there's also some additional tests if they need those as well. But they're looking for specific clues that are standardized in each one of those tests to determine what the level of intoxication a person has. Ultimately, we'd love to make no arrests and know that there's not drunk drivers out there on the streets, but unfortunately that's not the case. And again, we want to really stress to the people of the community is there's no reason to drink and drive. There's rideshare, there's Uber, there's Lyft, there's cabs. Designate a driver before you go out for the evening. There really is no reason in today's time that we should have anybody driving while intoxicated.